In this video, we will show you how to enable the Bluetooth function on your PXM. When you download the new firmware for the PXM, a second file called PXM Bootloader is also included. This file must be sent to your mobile device via email. Once you receive the email, download the PXM Bootloader file onto your device. Once this is done, you'll have to install an application called DFU on your mobile device. This application can be found on the App Store. Simply search for DFU and you'll find an application that looks like this. It's called DFU NRF Device Firmware Update. Once you've downloaded this application, you'll have to open it. Next, select the PXM bootloader file that you've just downloaded. Once it's been selected correctly, you'll see it on your mobile device here. Now that you've selected the file on your DFU application, hit Next on your PXM. Hit Select here on your device. You will see an entry named DFU-TARG. That is the PXM unit that you selected. Once the DFU-TARG has been selected here on your mobile device, you are actually ready to start the application. At this point, you will see the progress happening here on your mobile device. This is the actual Bluetooth activation that has been completed. Once you see a completed sign here, you can restart the PXM. Restarting the application on the PXM will take a few seconds. And once that has been done, the Bluetooth will be activated on your device. A progress bar will be shown telling you the update process on your instrument. Once this has been completed, the instrument will go through a reboot and will be ready. The update has been completed. Now the instrument is showing you a QR code, and you can use this QR code to download the EXFO Exchange application that will be required to connect on your PXM to benefit from the exchange features using your PXM instrument.